Hey, it's Trace. I'm back. This is sort of an accompanying video for my little pork buns that I did in my bamboo steamer over top of my pressure cooker because it's just easy. Okay, this is a 10-inch bamboo steamer. These little parchment paper squares, you know, arts and crafts in the morning. It's fabulous. Anyway, just sort of throw them in there like that. Sorry. Okay, I'm all discombobulated here. This is half of the dough. I made it yesterday, left it in the fridge overnight as an experiment, and it's beautiful. Okay, so you can see the texture of it. It's gorgeous. So, listen, let's just right off the bat, this may not be authentic. Don't yell at me. I'm just making some food. Where's my cutter? Okay, so my little scale here. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to make you watch me cut this into 6 because I am a very bad cutter. I should probably throw a little cover on them. Excuse me. There we go. There's the first one. There's my flour. There's my flour. A little bit of flour. Okay. Can you see that okay? All right. Okay. So I just give it a start roll. Okay. And this, it looks hard. I promise you it's not. Let me move you to the edge. A little bit of roll, a little bit of flour there. Okay, you roll up to the middle and back, and then you spin it. Up to the middle, back, spin it. Up to the middle, back, spin it. Because what you're trying to do is make the sides a lot thinner, but leave it puffy on the very bottom because that's holding all the dough, all the filling and stuff. Okay, it looks hard. I promise you it's not. Spin it, roll it to almost the middle, and then back. After a while, because I make 10,000 of these, and all kinds of dumplings, okay? All right, so I don't know if you can really see that really well, but the center is a lot thicker, and you want it to be bigger than the palm of your hand. This is the filling. I'm gonna go over filling a different day. I'm not gonna do filling right now. This is a process video, or method video, okay? Ice cream scoop, it's a 1.5 inch, okay? Okay, right in the middle. You can give it a little press. Okay, now, do not laugh at me, you people who know how to do this. This dough is super forgiving and it's nice and stretchy, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm gonna pleat it. I do it the width of my finger, okay? And then squeeze. Keep your thumb in the same place, because basically you're just gathering, okay, folds all the way around. There's probably 10 billion, oh, lost it. There's probably 10 billion videos that do this better than me, you know, because as you're going, okay, you're squeezing and then you're spinning, all right? Yeah, I'm teaching this badly. Anyway, give it a little poke. Put it on there. Put it in the steamer. That's it. So this stuff, it doesn't take long. Particularly, I like the fact that this dough, I made this yesterday. I like the fact that I did it yesterday, made it yesterday, and it just sat in the refrigerator, and I knocked it back and let it sit about half an hour, and it's completely easy to work with. So I like that a lot. Okay, maybe you can see that one better. where it's sort of thick in the middle. See that? Okay. Ice cream scoop. So this filling, by the way, it's on the blog, tracycooksinAustin.com. And all right, so give it a bit of a stretch all the way around. Very forgiving dough. And I sort of lift the dough up a little bit so that the weight of the filling sort of helps stretch down. Remember, it's super thick at the bottom. So, okay, give it a good squeeze, a little bit of a flatten. Certainly not authentic, but man, it's tasty. So I'm going to put these here, lid on. I'm going to let them rest about 15 minutes. Come with me. Come with me. And just put them up there right now. Okay? So I'm just going to let them sit there and wait for about 10-15 minutes. And then I'm going to just turn on the steamer. And then when I see steam, time it for 20. Seems like a good plan to me. I'll be back when I turn stuff on. Okay, I'm back. It has been about 15 minutes, maybe closer to 20 actually. Okay, the buns have been sitting here. Everything's turned off. And all I'm going to do now is hit saute. Make sure it's up on more. And as soon as I get a sense that steam is happening, I'm going to time it for 20 minutes. Okay, I want to show you the point that I start the timer, okay? So if you look in here, there's a little bit of steam and there's little tiny bubbles starting all over the bottom in the inner liner. Do you see that? I hope so. That, because you can hear it, so that's when I start my timer. So I'm gonna start timing now, 20 minutes. I'm back. I have not touched it and I haven't peeked. 20 minutes. Remember, don't open it. So I'm going to turn the pressure cooker off. Lift that up. Put that straight there. You have to wait 5 minutes before we can open it. I'm sorry. I didn't tell you that ahead of time because then I was worried that you'd be fretting about the length of time. I'm back. I told you 5 minutes wouldn't be long. All right, full disclosure. Let's look. Oh, yummy, fluffy, gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, it doesn't take much to just simply delight me. Which one should I sample? The big meatball one? No, because those were just my throwaways. I'm gonna take this one right here because it's little, or littler. I know I didn't, normally I have one piece of parchment for each one, so you can just pull out the whole piece of parchment, little square. Okay, I didn't have enough, sorry. Those will hold warm for a really long time. Look at this beautiful little thing. It's fluffy, it's very squishy. It's gonna be too hot to open, but I'm gonna open it anyway. I'm gonna burn my hands, Look at that beautiful, beautiful thing. Ow, ow, ow. Super fluffy. Can you even see? Look, it's not, beautiful steamed bun. Hold on. The dough is fluffy. That's fantastic. You know what that needs? Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. It's my, where is it? Old man sauce. A bit of chili oil, just because I like chili oil. Let me try this. Well, there's nothing wrong with that at all. So it's a little fidgety, but completely easy. And I made the dough ahead. And you can see how big and puffy, I mean, they all got. I mean, look at that. This would be good with chicken. I'm gonna put the recipe for what I mixed the meat in with on the blog. So I think you could do leftover chicken, raw chicken, ground pork, ground chicken. I mean, you could use any meat and just mix it up with the spices to make a filling. And then just stuff. I mean, you can make them way more full if you want to. Hold on, I'm getting another one. So delicious. The filling possibilities are endless. I'll update on the blog, as I said, recipe for the filling and how those meatball ones turned out. I wasn't in the mood for those right now. I just wanted this barbecue pork. Okay, I'm gonna go away now and eat these. Make them. You're gonna be really glad you did. Oh, and hey, thanks for watching.